Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to research a topic and export sources fast in Perplexity AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Perplexity gives you resources or like references for whatever you have written. So to simply do a research of a topic and export sources in it, you need to go to Perplexity AI first. Once you're in Perplexity, you need to get logged in into your account. So once you're logged in into your account, all you got to do is simply tap in so you need to simply type in a question which you want to ask. So once you have given the question, you will be followed up by an answer. So it will also give you answers, and right below it you can get like resources in different kind of referencing, which is the source or the main source of the answers Perplexity has given. Now to simply export these sources fast, you need to tap on this copy button. Once this is copied, you can simply tap and paste it on any of a blank page you have, and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.